Okay, to install VeraCrypt in Ubuntu 24.04, open Firefox, then go to veracrypt.fr/en/downloads with a capital D .html. Scroll down to the Linux area, Ubuntu 24.04, and click on the GUI.deb file. When it's done downloading, click Show in Folder. Then right-click the deb file, choose Rename, highlight the whole name including the extension, then right-click, select Copy, then click Rename. That'll get rid of the window. Then open a terminal. Then type sudo apt install / and the name of the file that you just copied. Now if you get this warning, just highlight the command and copy it. Then paste it in at the terminal. Enter your password. Okay, next, start VeraCrypt from the Programs area. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.